In order to talk about functions, we first of all need to define what a relation is. A relation in a mathematical context. So in mathematics, a relation is a very specific thing. It is a set of ordered pairs. What we normally call those are coordinates, but they don't necessarily have to be written in that form. So all it is a set of pairs where the order matters. So the first thing and the second thing, it matters which one comes first. Relations are given in lots of different forms. The most common forms are a list of coordinates, an algebraic rule, a table of values, or indeed a graph. So let's have a quick look at what some of these might look like. What might a relation look like? Well, as a set of ordered pairs, it could be a set containing some coordinates. So something like this. That is a set of coordinates. So that is a relation. What is not a relation would be this set here. Or even if I make it so it actually follows a pattern. That is not a relation because this is not a set of ordered pairs. There is a pattern within those numbers, but it's not a relation because there's nothing that's paired with each of those values. What else could be a relation? Well, we could have it written as an algebraic rule. We could have something like y equals 2x. That connects values of x to values of y. Or indeed something like x equals y squared. Again, connects values of x to values of y. They come in pairs. And the order matters. The x value and the y value, the order matters. We could also have it drawn as graphs. So for example, we could have our coordinates plotted on a graph. So we could have, so if we call this 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, a very quick sketch. And we just plot some points on here. That would be a relation. It is a set of coordinates. We just haven't written them as coordinates. We've drawn them as points on a graph. Could also be a more usual graph where we have a line. Every point on that circle is a coordinate pair, or indeed on a parabola or any other graph that we're used to seeing. So all of these are examples of relations where there are a set of ordered pairs. Every point in that set, in that diagram, in that algebraic rule, is a pair of values and the order of them matters. And in a relation, we have two things that are defined, the domain and the range of that relation. Now the domain is the set of all first values. Right, you write that out. First values. That is normally going to be the x values, but obviously we might use a different variable of the ordered pairs. So it's all the possible first values. And the range is the set of all second values. Normally that's going to be the y values of the ordered pairs. Realize above there I forgot to write the last word pairs. Let's fill that in. Okay. So the domain is all the first values. The range is all the second values.